The Ansār and Muhajirun, the greatest brotherhood in history.
You think empires are built by armies, but this one started as a refugee crisis.
Exactly. The Muhajirun fled persecution to Yathrib, a city, destroying itself in a civil war.
While they'd seek sanctuary in a literal war zone.
Right, but the Ansar actually integrated those refugees fully into their homes.
A Foundation of Asylum.
When we think of the birth of massive historical empires, we often think of marching armies and conquered lands. But the foundation of the Islamic civilization began with a refugee crisis. It was built by two distinct groups of people who formed one of the most remarkable social pacts in human history. First, the Muhajirun, the early Muslims, including the Prophet Muhammad, who migrated from Mecca to escape severe persecution. And second, the Ansār, a word that translates to the helpers, or those who bring victory. This is the story of how a bleeding city healed itself by taking in strangers.
The city of bloodshed, the dark past of the Ansār.
Before they were known as the helpers, the locals of the city belonged primarily to two Arabian tribes, the Banu Khazraj and the Banu Aus. Their home was caught in a cycle of degenerating warfare. The violence culminated in the Battle of Bu'ath, a devastating civil war. The sheer brutality and needless massacres of this battle left both clans deeply weary of war and desperate for an end to the bloodshed.
The Pilgrimage of Peace.
In search of enlightenment and arbitration, notables from these warring tribes traveled to Mecca for pilgrimage. There, they met Muhammad, who was preaching a new faith. Recognizing a chance for true peace, the chieftains of the Banu Aus and Banu Khazraj embraced Islam and appointed Muhammad as their arbitrator and de facto leader. They made a monumental decision. They agreed to provide shelter for the Meccan Muslims who were being persecuted by the Quraysh polytheists.
The birth of Medina.
To mark this incredible transformation from a city of war to a sanctuary of peace, they changed the name of their city. Because its old name had a bad connotation, Yathrib was renamed to Medina. The Ansār didn't just offer temporary asylum, they integrated the Muhajirun completely into their lives. Men and women who had lost everything in Mecca suddenly found themselves with homes, protection, and an unbreakable new family in Medina.
The Vanguard of the Islamic State.
This profound unity forged an unstoppable force. The Ansār didn't just host the Prophet, they fought alongside him in early expeditions like the Patrol of Bu'ath. After the Prophet's passing during the Caliphate of Abu Bakr, the Ansār became crucial military elements. At the perilous Battle of Yamama, an incredible charge by the Ansār marked the turning point of the conflict. Later, under Caliph Omar, prominent Ansāri commanders played significant roles in the Muslim conquests of Egypt and the Levant.
The Legacy of Brotherhood.
The story of the Ansār and the Muhajirun proves that the foundation of the early Islamic community wasn't built merely on swords, but on an unprecedented act of asylum and brotherhood. The immigrants gave up their homes for their faith, and the helpers opened their doors to give them a new one. Together, they built a civilization